We're here at Infinity Camberley and we're going to show you the off-road section, so let's get into it. So our resident off-road rider is away, Terry, but luckily enough I do ride off-road as well, so I'm going to give you a little tour of our section here at Camberley. Now we're the only Infinity to have a off-road section in store, so yeah, we'll give you a quick tour. This is going to be the boot section. We have everything on the adventure side, so Dainese, Risha, Gaia and Alpinestars Sidis, but then we also have a few off-road enduro and motocross boots, those being some of the Cross Airs, Tech 5, Tech 3, Tech 7s. Moving up from that, we've got a load of gloves by Alpinestars. Now we do also have a load of gloves on the website from different brands, so if you don't want Alpinestars and you want something else, you can have a look on there. Moving up, we've got some body armor, so we've got the Bionic Plasmas as well as the Bionic Action. Now Terry, our resident off-road rider, did do a video on this the other day, and I'd recommend checking that out. It'll be on the card somewhere up here. Moving up, we've got a load of goggles from Alpinestars and Oxford. And then moving down, we've got jerseys, so UFO, REV'IT and Alpinestars, and then the accompanying pants and trousers as well. Moving on to helmets, we've got Just Ones, Alpinestars and Shoei. And then we've also got some other things here, so this being a jacket to go over the top. So this is the light Dura soft shells, comes in a few different colors, as well as the AMT Storm jacket. Now that just keeps you nice, dry and away from all the rain. It is not a road rated garment, so I wouldn't wear it as light protection. And then moving over to here, something you don't really see very often is that we stock RNG and bike parts. So if you have a look through here, not really much on it, but you can look through the websites to find multiple different things. And then we've got stuff like bark busters. Now if you ride enduro like I do, and you're going down the lane and you hit a branch, you know that feeling if you had it before, getting hit on your knuckles. Bark busters do a wonderful job on that. Now we've shown you the off-road section, we're going to get into the video and give you a few different outfits and ideas. Starting out, we're going to go with a kit that you would get if you're just starting out, or if you don't want to spend a ton of money on a whole kit out. Now this is Luca, he's going to be our mannequin for today, and he is currently wearing our lower budget. Now starting off at the bottom, we've got Tech 3s, which is Alpinestars entry level boot. Now they're a lower cut with 3 straps to keep you secure in there. They're a mix of plastic and skin to give you that flexibility. Moving up, we're on the UFO pants. Now these are a great entry level pant, and as you can see, we've completely matched it to the rest of the kit. These come in a few different colors. You can have a look on the website or come in store to have a look at what colors you can get. Now these have a really easy micro ratchet strap at the top for the waist, as well as abrasion resistant panels on the side where your abrasion resistance are high, especially on motocross bikes or enduro where you're gripping with your knees. And then also we've got an inner lining mesh that helps with breathability and sweat reduction. Moving up, we've also got the UFO jersey. Not much to say about this, but underneath it we've got the Bionic V2. Now if you want some more information on that, Terry himself has done a video on it, and like I said in the beginning, the card will be somewhere around here. On the hands, we've got Alpinestars gloves. Now these are the full bore gloves. They are just motocross enduro gloves. They've got some knuckle protection on there, as you can see, as well as some good grip on the insides. Moving further up, we've got the Just One J40 helmet. Now this is a stunning looking lid. We've got a load of different color options for you, and this is an EC2206 helmet, so you can actually wear this on the road if you want to, but not necessarily. This is more of an off-road lid. Now on the helmet itself, we've got the Assault Pros by Oxford. These are a great robust pair of goggles, and like I said, with all the rest of it, you actually get quite a few color options. You can check the website or come to the store to have a look at them. These ones actually come with the tear-off inbox, and you can buy tear-off separately, which is quite nice, meaning that you can have a good session even if your friends roost you a lot, because you can just take it off. But yeah, this is more of a budget kit, and if you want to spend a little bit more money on what you're going to buy, we're going to have a look at that now. Now moving on to the higher budget kit out, this is what we've got. Now starting off at the bottom again, we've got the Sidi Crossfire CEs. Now these are the lightest pro boot ever made, and they look spectacular. I have to say, Sidi makes some of the best colorways I've seen on a motocross enduro boot, and these are no different. They make these in a mint pink, and I have to say those are my favorite. They've got some sick technology put into them. They've got a really good flex spot, and they've got some supports there to help with flex. They're more flexible than a motocross boot, but during enduro you need it because you put your foot down a lot more. Coming up further up, we've got the Alpinestars pants. Now they also have another micro ratchet strap to put on the waist. Again, the basic pair, because motocross jeans or motocross trousers aren't really that high tech, but these are spectacular looking and very high quality. Now moving further up, you've got the Alpinestars jersey. Now like I said before, most jerseys from motocross enduro are similar, But this one is actually quite nice. It has got some holes in the front there, which gives you extra ventilation. Now behind this is the special thing that we've got for you today. It is the most technologically advanced airbag system Alpinestars has made. It is a Tech Air off-road. Now this has 3 different riding modes for you. It's got street, enduro and rally, meaning that depending on what you do, you can set it in an app, and it's got different algorithms for how fast you fall and so on to deploy the airbags. The airbag itself can go off 2 times before you have to replace it, but the kicker is you don't actually have to take it anywhere. You can do it yourself through a quick release in the back. Now moving on from the jersey, we've got the gloves, same as before. We've got the full bore gloves. These just fit the fit again, which is the black Alpinestars ones. Moving back up to the top, we have got the SM10. Now this is a full carbon lid. This one is white, but we do actually have a carbon skin version. It is carbon on the inside, but you get that carbon look. It is a great looking helmet and protects you extremely well. Again, EC2206. It actually has a really cool GoPro thing up top here that I've never seen anyone else do. The peak is really cool as well. It goes into the helmet, so it gives you that nice airflow, and obviously is removable and changeable for anyone that breaks it when you come off your bike. Now we don't have the goggles on there, but you can actually get a pair of Vision 8 goggles or similar. We have a load of different goggles from Alpinestars. These are currently my favorites. They've got a nice iridescent visor, pink frame, and a pink band at the back, just to match the whole look. I think it would match pretty well with the boots. And obviously replaceable lenses. You can put a load of tear-offs on that. We do have sets with roll-off towers on them, so if that's what you want, then you can get that. But that kind of completes this look. If you're looking for something more that you can use on the street or off-road, we have got the Airoh Commander, which is one of my favorite lids that we've got. Now this is an EC2206 dual sport lid, but the thing is, it rivals motocross lids in weight. Now it does have a full visor, as well as a drop-down sun visor, which is insane for the weight that it is. It's EC2206, like I mentioned. If we walk over here, you can see how it would fit with this. So if you want to do more of a touring thing, it would actually fit this really well. But obviously, we would recommend having a road-rated garment. Now, if you did like this video, if you like this lid, we do have this in a load of different colors. If you liked any of the fit or have any recommendations for anyone else looking, let us know in the comments. If you find something cool on the website, also let us know in the comments. We hope you like the video, ride safe, and we'll see you all soon. Mannequin, do an emote. I apologize.